Hello, this is Robert Dailey with Dailey Woodworks. It's a little bit windy today. I apologize for that. But it came up on a forum I'm on. People complaining about it takes too long to clean paint rollers and brushes, things like that. And so they just throw them away when they're done and buy a new one. Well, if you do it right, it only takes about 5 minutes and you can immediately switch colors with it, which is what I'm going to do. So I've just finished painting some ceilings. I like the Behr ceiling flat ceiling paint. It's good, it's inexpensive, but where you never cheap out is on your roller and roller cover. Also, if you're not painting from a 5-gallon bucket, you're wasting everybody's time, including yours. First things first, we're on the grass. We're using water-based latex paint, so you can just water it into the ground and it will do no harm. The first thing, clean off your roller. The 5-in-1 doesn't take long. We're not going to worry about trying to get every little drop of paint off of here. We're just getting the bulk of it off. Good enough. Just going to throw that on the grass. Next thing I'm going to do is pull out my screen, let it drip a little bit, take all my paint, pour it in my 5-gallon, and pour it back into my paint pail. Okay, I still have about a gallon of the ceiling paint to use throughout the rest of my house. Yes, I need to mow my yard, but right now we're working on the inside, so priorities, and it's been 100 degrees every day for the last month. Alright, so paint's out of the 5-gallon bucket. We've got our roller out of the way. Got my water. Okay. So now I've got my water hose. This is the most important part. I keep this and a water hose with me whenever I'm painting in my paint kit. I fill it up with water, wash it out, and I'm going to toss the water over this way. Okay, and then I'm going to water in that paint so I'm not staining my yard. Okay, that's clean enough for our purposes now. So we got our bucket. Still need to clean my paint screen. I'm going to spray that off real good. Alright, that's clean enough. Throw it out in the sun, let it dry. Water in any paint I have to get it off the ground. You're not seeing it. Now here's what you do. You take the 5-gallon bucket, you lay it on your side. You take your legs, straddle it like you're riding a bull. Well, if you can ride a bull like this, then you're pretty talented. But anyway, so hold it like that so it's not going anywhere. Take your roller, hold it inside your bucket. Alright, my water's already come out clean. The roller is fluffed. It's pretty much done, but we're going to take a next step further. The key to this is use quality roller and roller cover. I think this is a Purdy, and this is a Worcester roller. I'm going to put some Amazon affiliate links in the description. So if you want to support the channel, I am a capitalist, so use the links, buy it from there. Spray out the center, get any paint out of the center. Take the roller cover, do the same thing. Just going to spray it off real quick. Alright, we're done. Put it back on. Repeat. And we're done. That roller is clean and ready to be reused right now. So to say it's not worth your time to clean these and reuse them, this guy's done like 3 jobs already and it's still near perfect condition. After probably the next 2 or 3, I'll throw it away and buy a new one. But it's just wasteful to be replacing these every single time when we're done cleaning it as of now and ready to switch colors. I'm going to pour my next color in, use the same roller. I'm going to use a paper towel, dry it off a little bit, and then dip it and start rolling my walls.
Just because I know that somebody's going to say, well, you were using white paint, so we don't know if it's clean or not. Here is the wall color we used. It was a tan. And as you can see that in the same amount of time, I was able to get my roller cover perfectly clean. Same day, same process. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a like and a share, and have a great day.